This Thai basil chicken, or Pad Krapow Gai, is a fantastic stir fry with stir fried chicken, some spicy chilies and a sweet and savoury sauce. And then we've also got that aromatic, almost herbal notes from the Thai basil. So let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok over a high heat. Now I've got 800 grams, which is about 1 3/4 pounds of trimmed skinless chicken thighs here, and I've chopped them into small chunks. We're going to add that chicken to the oil and stir fry for about 4 to 5 minutes until the chicken is nearly cooked through. Whilst that chicken's cooking, we're going to mix together the sauce ingredients in a small bowl. So I've got a tablespoon of light soy sauce, a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of fish sauce, a tablespoon of light brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of cold water and 1 teaspoon of cornflour or cornstarch in the US. Then mix all that together until the cornflour is absorbed. Coming back to the wok, we're going to add in 4 Thai chillies that have been thinly sliced, 4 minced cloves of garlic and 8 spring onions or scallions that have been sliced. Make sure you use the green and the white parts too. We're going to fry that, stirring constantly for a minute. Now pour in that sauce we prepared earlier and fry for a further 1 to 2 minutes, stirring often until hot. And finally, we're going to add in the Thai basil. I've got a nice bunch of Thai basil, about 40 grams here, that have been sliced into strips. Add that to the chicken, stir together and cook for a further 30 seconds. Then turn off the heat and we're ready to serve. I love to serve mine on some fluffy boiled rice, topped with a crispy fried egg and some sliced tomatoes. I absolutely love Thai dishes, and this Thai basil chicken is no exception. And if you love Thai inspired food, then check out some more of my Thai inspired recipes here. See you next time.